Hello! Today we will be doing how to change your xt60 connector on a lipo battery to a Dean's connector or plug on your battery. The proper way, without swelling your battery or having it blow up in your face while you're trying to put the plug in, because these are very dangerous if you are to ground them out while working on them. Today we're going to be using a Tattoo 1300 milliamp 45C 3S 11.1 volt lipo battery. Lots of words. Alright, I personally like to start by snipping the red wire. And it is very important that you do not snip both wires at once, because if the black wire and the red wire touch, you could very easily blow your battery up. So I snipped the red wire. I'm going to get just a little bit of the wire's sheathing trimmed off, just like so. And I'm going to put some soldering flux on the end of the wire. Get my soldering gun. I got it nice and hot already. And we're going to solder it on up. Just get it pre-tinned. The wire nice and soaked with solder. Then I'm going to take my first plug. Now, the top of the T, if you were to look at this like a T, the top of the T is always the red wire, and the up and down bar of the T is always the negative. So if you remember looking at it like a T, the top is always going to be positive and the bottom will be negative. So I'm going to get a little flux on here. I will tin this as well.
So what do you got? Do you got plans to do better videos?
Better videos?
Like better?
So I've got both pieces tinned. Slide a little piece of heat shrink over. The wire to the connector. Get that wire nice and hot. Lay it down on the connector and it should just sink right on in. There she goes. Perfect. This is not the cleanest solder, but that looks pretty good. It's not too bad. Hopefully the lighting is alright. Slide the heat shrink up. And shrink the heat shrink. So that's the positive side. Again, looking at it like it's a T, the positive is at the top. Now I'm going to snip the black wire. The old heat shrink. And trim back the wire a bit. Sheath off of there. Put a little bit of flux on here. And tin that wire up. soaks the solder into the wire. Turn the soldering up a little bit, get a little hotter. Gotcha. Somehow my soldering gun got turned off. Here we go. Pre-trim that wire. Once it soaks it through. Pretty good. A little piece of solder. This one, somehow my soldering gun got turned off. Like sitting here trying to solder and it was getting colder. Alright, so now that it's hot again, I'm going to pre-tin this wire. Yeah, I like the smell of solder. There we go. Alright. A little bit of flux on here. And I'm going to pre-tin that. Try to do it where you can see it. Perfect. Alright. I'm going to slide a piece of heat shrink over. Solder that wire in place. Again, it can be a little bit hard to hold the wires exactly where you want them. They make a soldering jig for that. Touch that a little bit better. There it goes. Alright. How's that? And again, the black is at the bottom if you look at it like a T. Slide the heat shrink up. I like to do one more thing. One thing I like to do is take a big piece of heat shrink. Works for me. Put it over the plug. That's it. So basically going from an xt60 connector to a standard Dean's or T-plug.
Wait, doing the other one?
Nope, just showing how to do it. Now we're comparing them. The reason I switched to a Dean's over an xt60 is they don't seem to get as hot as the xt60s do, which tell me they carry the current a little bit smoother than the xt60. So I like the way the Dean's works. That's why I use them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.